So today it's raining. Well, I was expecting that for Venice anyway. It's November. And me and Babe are just gonna go and find some umbrellas. And also we're gonna go for breakfast. We're gonna get soaked today. Ooh. This is what Alta Library. Which one's your favorite? Of course, legs.
Too much.
First time I've seen you reading. That's the first time I've seen you reading. Can you even read? What's that book, babe?
Huh?
What's that book? It's a kid's book. He's looking at pictures.
No, I'm just looking at the book.
3, 2, 1, go. Have you ever been in a situation where you do your makeup and you're just about to finish and this happens? So today is much nicer. It's sunny, it's not raining anymore. Me and Babe were just gonna go and explore the city more. We did a little bit yesterday, but it was a bit cold, you know. Yeah, that's cute, babe. Yeezy's new edition. Thank you. I've got it written down, so don't get it wrong. So this is Campanile, and it's Viewpoint, for me anyway. We're gonna get up there. St. Mark's Square. And this building right here, this beautiful building, St. Mark's Basilica and Dutch Palace. What was that? Are you shocked that you have to pay for it?
That's why it's called Scam.
The lift was called Scam, the company of it, so we think the whole thing might be scam. They might rob us up here. Venice. Gotta keep moving, gotta keep moving.
I'm not done recording me now. You can't see it.
I love when you get that.
Come on. Let's keep moving.
Oh, bless him. Not easy, John. Making a movie. Hi.
Ciao.
Ciao, Bella. They know what they're doing. Just like when we driving. So far, not much. Grazie. Ciao bella. Ciao. Not much. So this is me and my babes last night in Venice. We're gonna go for a meal and we're gonna go to a restaurant we already been to. It's called Rosso Pomodoro. And see.